Okay, so this is making a container, soldering the sidewall to the bottom. Notice that I did not cut the bottom out yet, and I'm soldering to the base with the solder set up around it on the outside like a road. So I also have these little pieces of metal underneath to elevate that from the ground so that the heat isn't absorbed into the fire brick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat up softly, get that flux hardened, and then start to concentrate my metal on equaling it out to be even. You're going to see a silver line flow across. Be wary. This is hard solder here, this seam, so this is medium solder. So if you concentrate a lot of heat on that hard solder seam, it could flow. So be very careful, pay attention to it. So here we go. Your solder might move, just use a solder pick. Wait till that flux goes clear again, remember that? So I just let it kind of dance around. You guys see it bubble? So I'm concentrating on the bottom first. I'm moving my solder right against the edge so that it's ready to flow when it's hot enough. And once I feel like that bottom is pretty hot, I'm going to start to creep up into the sidewall. I have my pressure of gas on pretty high. I want this to get hot. So now I'm starting to flow up to the side. Making sure my solder is all even. So when it starts to get a dull red, we know it's starting to go, right? Is it going dull yet? Not quite. So it's pretty hot. I'm going to start to focus in on one area. So that top's hotter, did you see that? Yeah. So I got to focus more on the bottom. There we go. See it? So now I'm just letting the torch do the work. Look at that. Let it cool for 10 seconds. Awesome. Sweet.
Cool.